Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. But the reason, the purpose of this video is to explain how to take advantage of what's called internal financing in the commodities futures market, where we can take advantage of actually using our profits that we make in a trade to acquire additional contracts while we're inside of a trade. So the first thing I want to explain is that the chart that we are looking at is a December coin chart. And in this example, every point equals $50. Also, I want to mention the margin. The margin for this December coin contract, for an example, I'm not going to use the actual margin, but just for this illustration, let's go with $500 as the margin. And let's say when the market is trading, we can get into the market by a futures contract, but most importantly, understand that we can take advantage of what's called internal financing. Barbara, where is December coin trading right now?
December coin is trading at 472.
472. Let's say we had an order in to buy one December coin contract at 472. If we got filled and the market started trading at 472 and the market goes up 1 cent, 1 cent equals $50. That means that we made $50 so far on the trade. But because 1 point equals $50, how much will we have to make to earn the margin that we had to put up to acquire the first contract? $50 for each cent. How many cents will we have to earn to make $500, Barbara, in order to acquire a second contract? Every cent equals $50. I believe that would be 10 cent equals
10 cent. That's 10 cent.
10 cent. All right. So 10 cent, when the market trades to 482, we earned 10 cent. We made 10 cent, which equals $500. Now that we've made $500, we can take the $500 that we've made and acquire a second contract. This is called pillaring. When we're taking advantage of internal financing, there's an opportunity called pillaring that we can take advantage of to acquire more and more contracts as we are in the trade. So at 482, we just bought a second contract. Now, from this point on, moving forward, each cent equals $100 because we have two contracts now. So when the market trades from 482 to 483, now we've earned $100 for every cent. Now, how many cents do we have to make in order to acquire a third contract? That would be 5 cents. When the market trades to 487, we now have an additional $500 that we can now acquire a third contract. So we can keep using our profits while we're in the trade to earn and acquire more and more contracts. This is called pillaring, internal financing that we can use when we're trading in the futures market, trading commodities. And that's what we call pillaring in the commodities futures market.